Read a little more so I can educate my kids. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nichelle Sade, and today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. In this video, I'm going to show you all the things that I picked up from the thrift store within the last couple of months. And I also went the other day and I found some good stuff. I absolutely love the thrift store. I like it more than like regular stores because you just find unique pieces and nobody else is going to have them, honestly. And they're so cheap. Some of them are expensive depending on what they are, but for the most part it's a reasonable price for the pieces that you get. The other day when I went, I spent over an hour in the thrift store and I didn't care. Literally over an hour, and I loved every minute of it. I guess I can start with tops from the thrift store. So the first thing that I got, and this wasn't recently, this was a while ago, is this shirt, this black regular shirt. I did cut it to make it a crop top. I am going to cut it even more and cut the line. I just love the colors on it. The colors are amazing in this. They just pop for some reason. And it just stood out to me, and I needed this t-shirt. It's just a basic t-shirt, and you can do so much stuff with this. Like, let's get into these colors. Can you see it back here? This yellow, this red, this purple, like, it's giving me life. Giving me life. Next piece that I absolutely love, I'm so in love with it. It stood out to me. It's this two-piece pajama set. So here's the top. It's long sleeve. It's floral. It's not something I usually go to, but it just stood out to me. I don't know why. And then here are the bottoms to go with it. Also floral, long pants. So cute. I can't wait to style these. I got these out of the pajama section. I'm gonna try to give you the prices to all the pieces I got. Some of the stuff I did take the tag off already and I don't remember how much it cost. But the floral piece that I just showed you, that was $6.49 for the top and the bottom. The next couple of items are gonna be bottoms, just pants and things like that. So the first pair of pants are these highlighted pants. Highlighted green pants that I absolutely love. If you guys don't know, I am going to be doing a bright colored lookbook. So how I style bright colors in the summertime. And so the other day when I went to the thrift store, I was looking for all bright colors. So it's just these green highlighted pants. They're kind of tailored pants. I absolutely love them. They're really stretchy. They're not long, like they don't go all the way down to the ankle. They're like right above the ankle. They're so cute. These were $6.99, guys. $6.99. They popped out to me first, but then they had these black stains on them, and I was so upset, but I still wanted them, so I got them in hopes to cleaning them, and I did. My mom told me to put shout out on them, and it worked. There's no more stains, no nothing. So that's a tip. If you see a piece that's a little damaged, don't be scared, still get it. You might can sew a little something, shout out a little something, and it'll work. The next pair of pants that I picked up are these. Are they? I don't even know if they're coming on the camera right. These pink, I'm gonna call them picnic pants. Don't know the name, but these are pink picnic pants, and I love these. As I said already, I am doing a bright colored lookbook, so these will be featured in them, and I can't wait to style these. I already have all my outfits ready and I'm super excited. So they're just pink and white. These are in style. A lot of the websites, they're not these specific pants, but like the checkered, I usually see the black and white ones or the pink and white ones. So these are in style and they're super cute. They're capris, I want to say. They don't go all the way down. They have a zipper on the side. Super cute. These pants were only $6.99. The next pair of pants that I picked up are these white, well no, they're not white, these cream pants that I absolutely love. They're so cute. I'm gonna call them my old lady pants, but they're so cute. I love how they have this tailored look down the middle of them, And I love this waistline, the scrunched up waistline. Super, super cute, especially when you want to go high-waisted. So cute. They're capris. They feel amazing. These were only $2.49. $2.49. And I absolutely love them. I can't wait to style these and take cute pictures. So that's all for the bottoms. Next, I'm going to show you guys blazers. I've never really wore blazers, but recently I've been wanting to buy them and get into them. I love the sophisticated look that it gives you, and the details in them are amazing. First blazer that I got is this striped blazer. I hope you guys can see the quality on this because it's amazing. So cute. I want y'all to get into these buttons. Look at these gold buttons. That's what drew me to it, are these gold buttons. I love them. I don't remember the price of this, but I know it was less than $10. Had to be less than $10. But I had to get it because of these gold buttons. I can't wait to style this. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna style it because I want it to be like bomb. I want it to be bomb, and I just love the colorway on this too. So that's all for clothing from the thrift store. I'm so in love with it. Next, you guys know I'm an accessories girl. I love accessories with my clothing, with my outfits. I just love accessories, purses, jewelry, sunglasses, all that is me. I love it. So the last couple of items are purses. This is this straw purse. You guys know this is in right now, the straw purse. I actually found this at a little tiny thrift store back at school, and it was only $2. I love the shape of it. I had to get it. The inside is small, but it's for an outfit. Like, come on, guys. You can fit your phone and your wallet in here. That's all you need. This is good quality. Like, none of it is, like, coming apart. I don't know who had it before me, but super cute. I love how the strap comes through the sides. So cute. Like, I love it. Yellow. I'm gonna call this a taxi purse. Yellow taxi purse. And it's super different, but I love how this is so like street style, but then this is like sophisticated. I don't know. The only thing that I don't care for, and I'm still debating on, is this strap. I think I want to remove this strap and put a long strap on it. Maybe like just a solid black one or just a solid yellow one. I don't know. I'm not feeling this strap. But I might keep it just because it's so unique and different. I absolutely love this. I seen yellow, and you guys know I just fell in love with it. This purse was $5.99. I was up for debate on to get it, but come on now. I couldn't let this taxi purse stay in the store. So my final purse and my final item of this haul is this purse. Let me turn it this way. This purse. I gotta get into the details for you guys because it's hard to see. I love this purse. It just looks expensive to me. I don't know why. Super cute. I love the gold detailing. I just like it. I don't know why. This print was tripping me out at first. I don't know why. It looks like cheese or something, but it's so unique and like artsy, and I love it. The gold sold me though. This is the inside of it. Super cute. I can't wait to style this. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it yet, what I'm gonna wear it with, but I want it to look high fashion. This clasp is broke, but I don't care. It's from the thrift store. You can't get everything perfect. It's just not gonna happen. But it's so cute. It's like it looks and feels expensive, so I had to get it. This was only $5.99 as well, and you can't beat this. I feel like if this was in the original store or somewhere else, it'll be way more expensive. So I had to grab this. I had to have it. It was a must. Well, that's all for my thrift haul. I'm in love with all the things that I got. I'm always in love with the things that I get. And I just want to end this video with a few tips when going thrifting. First one I would say is have an open mind when you're going thrifting. Don't go into the store with a list of things to get. Just go. Just go and let your mind just do it all, and you'll have a better experience. Also, I would say just throw everything in the basket. No, I'm just playing. If you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, go inside with a price that you're going to spend. Like, make that your limit. $20, that's it. $30, that's it. And look for stuff under that, or to add up to that amount, and you'll find better stuff like that too, because you'll be looking and looking and looking for low prices. And shop in all sections. Don't just stay to the women's section or to the men's section, or just in shirts. Go to every section. Go to the women's section, the men's section, the boys section, the sleepwear, just every section in there. Browse through it, go through it, spend your time in each of them, and just take your time. Another question that you may have is sizing. I just pick up stuff that I like. I used to, but I don't like to a lot try on the clothes at the thrift store while I'm there. I just don't like doing it. So I look at it, I stretch it out. If it has a stretch, then I get it. I don't really know about sizing. I go to the size that's closest to my regular size in other stores, and I just kind of go by that and cross my fingers. When you get your clothes back home, they're not washed. I don't think they're washed. They stink. So make sure you wash your clothes. But before that, read the labels of your clothing, please. I made this mistake before, and I don't want you to make it. I found, real quick story time, I found this DKNY nice, it was beautiful knit sweater. It was amazing. And the original price it had it on there was like $100 and something, and I found it at the thrift store for really cheap. And I went home and I put it in the washer like every other regular clothes. It was a wool sweater. That's where I messed up at. And I didn't read the label. My dumb self didn't know. And took it out, and it was a toddler size when I took it out. The wool was destroyed. The sizing was off. I couldn't do nothing with it, and I wanted to literally cry. So make sure you guys read the washing label. If you're not sure, take it to the cleaners. When you see a piece and you really like it, but you don't know what to do with it, think of it in another way. Say in a long shirt, you can make it a crop top, so it doesn't have to be a long shirt. Go in there thinking that you can destroy it and customize it to your liking. So like the first shirt that I showed you guys, I'm cutting it to make it a crop top, so it's not in its original state. It's something different. Also, like I showed you with the yellow blazer, I might cut off the pocket to make it me, to make it more my style and how I want it. Also, another tip, if you see something a little destroyed, like a missing button, or like I showed you with the green pants, the black stains on them, still get it. You might can do something with it. You don't know. You're not spending a whole lot of money to where you're about to waste money. You can fix it. You can take it to get the button sewn on, or shout out the stain. Just, like I said, go into the thrift store with the open mind and just let your mind explore. Just walk around and enjoy it. Enjoy the smell. Enjoy the hand-me-downs. Like, I just love it. It gives me life. It inspires me I just love it. I don't even know how to explain it. Also, like I said in this video, I am doing a bright colored lookbook. So styling light colors, bright colors for the summertime. So please look forward to that. I will be styling most of the pieces. I feel like I'm talking so much, but I have to get all this in there. If you guys haven't checked out my website, NichelleSade.com, make sure you do that. You're missing out if you haven't. I do blog posts. I have my online business, Sade 9, up there. I have an inspiration page. I do a lot of stuff on that. You guys can interact with me on there, and it's super amazing. It's so detailed and I just love it. So make sure you check that out. The link is below in the description box. Last but not least, let me know how you guys like my channel art. I did change it. You guys know I love marble, so I wanted to change it and just make it more personable, like make it more me. And just let me know what you think about the music, about the design, all that. Just give me your feedback. I love your feedback. Send me video ideas, things you want to see, styling ideas. If you guys don't know, if you guys want me to shop at a specific store and do a review on it, let me know. I want to do it all. I want to give you what you want. So talk to me and I'll talk back to you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button like always. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below as well. Make sure you're following me on all my social medias, Twitter and Instagram. Also wanted to just give you guys details on this look that I'm serving you in this video. This top is from the thrift store a long time ago though. It is just a plain straight button up and I just made it an off the shoulder type shirt. My lipstick is Fenty Beauty Wasabi. How you guys like colored lipstick? I don't know. I feel like it looks nice with a full makeup look and against my skin tone. Let me know what you guys think. And then I have a twist out under this, so I just did a head wrap. I love this. Super cute. My big earrings from the beauty supply store. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, my necklace is from Pretty Little Thing. I love this. Super cute, super cute. Thank you guys for tuning into this video and watching it and sticking to the end. I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.